Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Accessing Traceback Local Variables in IronPython, a comprehensive tutorial. IronPython is an open-source implementation of the Python programming language that runs on the .NET framework and Mono. While Python itself provides excellent support for error handling and traceback information, IronPython extends this functionality by allowing access to local variables within a traceback. This can be immensely helpful during debugging and error analysis. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to access local variables in a traceback using IronPython with practical code examples. IronPython installation: ensure that you have IronPython installed on your system. You can download the latest version from the official IronPython website. Integrated Development Environment IDE: use a Python-friendly IDE such as Visual Studio with IronPython support, or any text editor of your choice. In Python, when an error occurs, a traceback is generated, providing information about the call stack. IronPython extends this traceback information to include local variables at each level of the stack trace. Let's go through a step-by-step guide on how to access local variables in a traceback. In your Python script, import the necessary modules. Before running your script, set the IronPython.traceback.localVariables property to true. This will ensure that local variables are included in the traceback information. Create a function or part of your script where you intentionally raise an exception. This will trigger the traceback with local variables. Wrap the code that might raise an exception within a try-except block. In the except block, use the sys.exc_info function to get the exception information, including the traceback. The local variables can be accessed using the tb.tb_frame.f_locals attribute. Execute your script. If an exception is raised, the traceback information, including local variables, will be printed to the console. Here's a complete example script. Run this script, and you'll see the traceback information with local variables if an exception occurs. Accessing local variables in the traceback can be a powerful tool for debugging complex applications. By following this tutorial, you can enhance your error analysis capabilities in IronPython and streamline the debugging process. ChatGPT.